you're gonna do to roll this. You're gonna roll it.
Roll the dough.
Roll the dough. Then get some a little bit, some little bit.
What?
Like, a little bit water right here. Water right here.
Okay.
And here now you're gonna do on the cookie and get some water. Water right here.
Okay.
Now you're gonna do some. Put this water and put the cookie here.
Okay.
Now that's the cookie.
You gotta bake it. Put it in the oven. Right?
I'm gonna put it
Where's your oven?
over there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the glove.
Why you put the glove?
Because I'm gonna burn myself.
Oh.
Because
Is it hot?
yeah, that in the hot oven. Because I have to be careful.
Now how long do we wait?
We gotta wait for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
We gotta wait it till it gets done.
Okay.
That's done.
Okay. It's hot. Be careful.
Cool it off. Now it's done. Now I'm gonna put my glove, and that's how we make it. And I'm gonna make yours. And yours.
Try the cookie.
And I'm gonna make yours.
Say what's good.
Yeah, I'm gonna make yours.
Say have a good day.
I'm gonna make yours. Like